Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice speaking in English using what we learned before, personality adjectives and possessive pronouns. We will do it with 3 exercises.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to speak and practice.
First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat short sentences with clear rhythm. Next, read aloud helps you read a short text clearly and slowly. Finally, describe the picture helps you speak about what you see in a simple way.
That sounds good. Short steps help me feel confident.
Exactly, Nexo. Let us start with shadowing. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Shadowing. In shadowing, you listen and repeat right after the voice. Keep it short, clear, and relaxed.
Okay, I will listen first and then repeat.
I am happy today. She is kind. He is a shy boy. My friend is funny. The room is calm. This book is mine. Is this pencil yours? The blue bag is hers. The red bike is his. That table is ours. The 2 bags are theirs. The dog is friendly. He is quiet in class. She is smart and brave. I am not angry. This seat is mine, not yours. Read aloud. Nice work with shadowing. Now, we move to read aloud. Nexo will read the text first, and after that, you should pause the video and read it calmly.
I am ready. I will read out loud slowly. Today, I visit my friend Mia. She is quiet and kind. Her little brother is funny, and the blue bike is his. In the park, we see 2 bags on a bench. The red bag is mine, and the green bag is hers. We feel happy because the day is calm.
Great job, Nexo. You did well with the text.
Thank you, Emma. Now the viewer can try.
Yes. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and read aloud in a clear voice. Describe the picture. Well done, everyone. Now we have describe the picture. Describe what you see and try to use the words on the screen and the grammar we studied.
I can try first.
Great. Nexo. You try first, and after you, the viewer will try.
In the picture, a happy girl sits at a picnic table in a sunny park. A shy boy stands near her, and a friendly dog is beside him. The dog has a red ball, and the ball is his. On the table, there are two bags. The blue bag is hers, and the yellow bag is theirs. A funny man waves near a quiet tree. Everyone looks calm, and the children are kind to the dog.
Nice description, Nexo. Now, viewer, it is your turn.
Use simple sentences. That helps me a lot.
Exactly. Pause the video and describe the picture your way, using the words shown. Do not make it complicated. Use short, simple sentences. For example, happy. The girl is happy. Friendly. The dog is friendly. Now it is your turn to pause and speak. Little by little, you will do it better.